Good afternoon. This is Kavipriya, Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology. I am going to discuss about the topic coordinate system from the subject electromagnetic fields and waves. So before starting with the topic, let's recall about the vectors. So vector is a physical quantity which has both magnitude and directions. Examples for vectors are acceleration, force, velocity, electric field, magnetic field, etc. So in electromagnetic field, vector algebra is basically used for analyzing the electric and magnetic field. Electric and magnetic field varies with both magnitude and direction. That's why vector algebra is used for analyzing the electric and magnetic field. I am going to discuss about the need for coordinate system and various type of coordinate system like Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical, and finally about the application of coordinate system. First thing, why coordinate systems are used in electromagnetic fields. In electromagnetic fields, coordinate systems are used to locate a point in a space, and also it is used for describing the variations of electric and magnetic field, and also it is used for simplifying the complex equations. So it is used for making the calculations in case of the antennas. It provides a standard framework for describing the electric and magnetic field. And what is a coordinate system in electromagnetic field? So it is essential for describing a point in space, and also it is essential for describing the electric and magnetic field variations. Here, the axes in the coordinate systems are mutually perpendicular to each other. Different types of coordinate systems are Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical. So let's discuss about these three coordinate systems in depth. First thing is a Cartesian coordinate system. It can be in 2D or 3D. In 2D, you will be having only x-axis and y-axis. X is a horizontal and y is a vertical. A point can be represented as x, y. Whereas in case of 3D, you will be having three axes x, y and z. The point is represented as x, y, z. So this 3D Cartesian coordinate system is widely used in the vector algebra, graphs and engineering applications. And next is a cylindrical coordinate system. It is a 3D coordinate system. Here the point is represented as r, theta and z. It can be even rho, theta and z, where r is a radial distance and theta is an azimuth angle and z is a spatial axis. It is commonly used in electromagnetics and antenna theory. And next is a spherical coordinate system. It is also a 3D describing of a point. It is represented as r, theta and phi, where r is a distance from origin, theta is an angle in xy plane and phi is a azimuth angle. So it is widely used in the radiation patterns and it is used in the electromagnetic fields and physics. And next is a curiosity challenge. First one is unscramble. The coordinate system that deals with x, y and z coordinates are Cartesian coordinate system. And next is a riddle. I'm flat and simple with three perpendicular axes and no angle. If there is no angle, then the coordinate system is a Cartesian coordinate system. Or other name for Cartesian coordinate system is a rectangular coordinate system. And final one, theta, phi and z rho. Which one is an odd man out, which is nothing but it is a z. Z is a Cartesian coordinate system, is linear one. Others are angles and it deals with others are angle and as well as it deals with the radial distance, where z is a spatial distance. And next one is the real-time applications of EMF. It is being used in the GPS and mapping, and it is used in engineering and CAD. It is basically used in physics and it is used in computer graphics and it is used in the astronomy. And let's summarize what we have discussed so far. We have discussed about we have recalled about the vectors and we have discussed about the need of this coordinate system in electromagnetic field, and we have discussed about various coordinate system like Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical, and finally we have discussed about the applications of the coordinate system. And finally, assessment, which variable is not used in the spherical coordinate system. Z is not used in the spherical coordinate system, whereas Z is used in the Cartesian as well as cylindrical coordinate system. In spherical coordinate system, the range of theta is from 0 to pi. So that's all about the topic coordinate system. Thank you.